What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's the dude, Fade Count here, back with another video. Unfortunately, this is not the video I wanted to make. This is not the video I planned to make, but this is the reality that I have gone through tonight. So unfortunately, I got into an accident tonight. Everyone's okay, I'm okay, the person involved is okay. That is the most important thing. There's a very valuable lesson in me making this video. This was the most avoidable accident I have ever been in. This was the most avoidable situation. This didn't have to happen. This shouldn't have happened at all. You know, it is what it is. This stuff happens, unfortunately. Bottom line, pay attention when you drive. It's not totaled. It's gonna take some money to fix. You know, hopefully insurance helps with that. It wasn't the worst accident. I'm okay. My head hurts probably from all the adrenaline. Take a quick look at the car and we'll get to the message of the video. So unfortunately, the Coyote Celestina, the 5.0, is dealing with some heavy stuff. We got a huge dent right here. All this is mangled. This is all messed up. When you open the door, that is, you know, unfortunate. So this is the damage. Like I said, it could have been a lot worse. Said luckily we're okay. No one is injured. No one's in the hospital. No one lost their life. Everyone's okay. Just pay attention. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Oh man. Yeah, it's not looking too good. Well, this will all be replaced. I am curious. I think it's just the body work. I'm hoping that this is just a dent and it's just dented and that's it. Oh, whoa, okay. Yeah, I don't like to. Oh man. Yeah, you can barely open the door. That's one of those sad laughs, you know, when you laugh. Oh shit. Ultimately, the reason I'm making this video, one, is to keep you guys updated with the car. I'd like to incorporate my car onto this channel much more often, especially now that the weather's getting nice and everything's kind of coming together. But also to teach you guys a lesson. Now, this is a very common sense lesson. I'm sure you all know this, but learn how to drive. Pay attention when you drive. Long story short, I was driving straight. There's a car next to me, some 16-year-old driver, probably his first time on the road. And in my peripheral, I see the car getting closer to me. I turn barely. Next thing you know, the car goes right into me. We're going straight, two hands are on my wheel. I'm just looking straight, going the speed limit. And then he just goes right into me. It was, honestly, like, comical when it happened. Like, just shocked. Like, did that really happen? It's just, you know, you drive a lot, you see all these people on the road, people don't know how to drive, and it's like, just pay attention, dude. Just pay attention. Stop texting, stop FaceTiming, stop reading a book, stop eating your Taco Bell. Just pay attention to the road. When you're in the car, focus on driving. It's common sense, but unfortunately, accidents happen. Some are way worse than others. It's a shame, you know? It's like, we need to do something about the license laws. When you get to a certain age, revoke it. When you are 16, maybe have a harder test or something. I don't know, man. People just don't know how to drive. With all that being said, keep your eyes open on the road. Pay attention. Accidents happen all the time. Some worse than others, unfortunately. A lot of them can be avoided so easily if you just pay attention. A lot of these drivers aren't into cars. So if you have a car that you love, that it means something to you, it's got some sentimental value, maybe you built it yourself, it's a special car, whatever it is. Like, when people don't understand cars and they get in an accident or they just look at it, they don't understand it. But when you're on the other side of that and your car is the one that got in an accident, people are like, oh man, my bad. Like, dude, I get it. Like cars are, you know, repairable. They are replaceable. People are not. And at the end of the day, as long as everyone's okay and alive and God forbid something else happens, like, that's all that matters. But just a pain. You got to deal with insurance, police. And then when you have a rare car, let's say it's a 20-year-old car, original, you know, 10,000 miles. Not about how much it's worth, but just the sentimental value, how rare it can be. And then you get in an accident over some stupid thing like texting and driving and not paying attention and someone coming into your lane or whatever it is. just pay attention. Pay attention when you drive. I hope that the 16-year-old that was involved in this will learn from this. I hope that he moves forward in life, becoming a better driver, paying more attention, not having these accidents anymore. Hey, who knows? Maybe he will grow up, get a little older, and get into cars, and then be a real good driver and love cars. I doubt it, but maybe. And if you're watching this video, well, if I've taught you anything or could have taught you anything, just pay attention. Stop texting and driving. Stop getting distracted. Focus on driving when you are driving. A lot of accidents can be so easily avoided if you just pay attention. I will keep you guys updated on the car. I'll make a video once I go pick it up, once it's all fixed. And stay tuned, a lot more videos on the channel. With all that being said, just hope you guys enjoy. Have a good day.